one more read.
Hi, I'm Dan Halyburton with the American Red Cross. We're right in the center of the damage that happened after the big tornado hit Van, Texas. And people are now starting to clean up, and they're certainly coming together. They've been to our multi-agency resource center, working with our great partners like the Salvation Army and others, and they're really starting to work to clean this town up. There are a lot of great stories about survival and about people thinking about their future. If you'd like to find out more information about the Red Cross or make a donation, go to redcross.org.